Your Essential Action Guide, the critical first week after death. Hey there, I'm Terry Peterson, Realtor and founder of St. Louis Family Resources, and I work with St. Louis families navigating probate challenges every day. Today, I need to talk about something nobody wants to think about, but everyone needs to know. What do you actually need to do in the first week after losing a loved one? Look, I get it. You're overwhelmed, you're grieving, and suddenly everyone's asking you to make decisions. But here's the thing, while most tasks can wait, there are 7 critical actions that can't. Miss these, and you could create expensive problems for your family later. Losing a loved one is overwhelming enough without having to navigate the complex responsibilities that follow. As someone who works with St. Louis families through probate challenges daily, I know that the first week after death can feel like a blur of decisions and obligations. While many tasks can wait, certain actions during this initial period are crucial for protecting your family's interests and honoring your loved one's legacy. Let me walk you through what truly matters in these first 7 days. First, start with the people who matter most. Your first priority should be reaching out to your loved ones, closest friends, and family members. I understand this is emotionally difficult, but these notifications help ensure support systems are activated when you need them most. Don't feel pressured to contact everyone immediately. Extended networks can be informed as you find the emotional bandwidth. Second, handle employment matters promptly. If your loved one was actively employed, their employer needs to know quickly, especially if they were expected at work. This simple step prevents unnecessary worry and confusion. For retirees or those with irregular work schedules, this notification can wait until you've addressed more pressing matters. Third, and this is huge, secure and protect the estate's assets. I see families make this mistake all the time and unknowingly creating problems for themselves. Well meaning friends and relatives may want to help by taking items for safekeeping, but this creates legal headaches and complicates probate proceedings later. Here's what I recommend you do now. These immediate security steps. Lock away valuable portable items in a secure location. Cancel newspaper subscriptions to prevent visible accumulation at an empty home. Arrange for mail collection or forwarding. This helps identify assets and debts of the estate. Maintain the property's appearance through regular yard care. Arrange pet care and cancel household services like cleaning or meal deliveries. Consider changing locks to prevent unauthorized access. Post a no trespassing sign inside the property and notify local police. Install light timers to maintain the appearance of occupancy. These steps aren't just about security, they're about preserving the estate's value and preventing complications that could delay probate proceedings. Fourth, funeral arrangements, a necessary priority. As the personal representative, you'll typically handle funeral arrangements, though it's not legally required. This process naturally creates opportunities to inform additional friends and family members. Remember, the funeral director can be a valuable resource during this time. Fifth, veterans benefits. You got to act quickly. If your loved one served in the military, contact the Veterans Administration immediately. They may contribute to funeral expenses, and your funeral director can facilitate this process. These benefits have specific timelines, so don't delay this step. Sixth are death certificates. Get more than you think you'll need. You'll need official death certificates for virtually every financial institution, government agency, and legal proceeding. Order these through the funeral home when filing the original certificate. I always recommend getting around 10 copies. It's much easier than trying to obtain additional copies later. Seventh, the will, your most important document. Finding the will is absolutely essential. If your loved one died with a valid will in place, they're considered to have died testate. Here's where to look. If you don't know where the will is, contact the decedent's attorney. They may have a copy. Search personal files in safe deposit boxes. Check with the court or register of wills. Missouri and Illinois allow will registration. Expand your search to previous residences. Contact courts in locations where they previously lived. If no will is found, the deceased is considered to have died intestate, which creates different legal procedures and distribution requirements set by the state. Now, moving forward with confidence. These first week tasks might seem overwhelming, but addressing them promptly protects your family's interests and ensures the probate process proceeds smoothly. Remember, you don't have to navigate this alone. Specialized professionals understand these challenges and can provide the guidance you need. As a realtor and certified probate expert, I work closely with top probate attorneys throughout the St. Louis market. Whether you need real estate expertise, legal referrals, or simply someone who understands what you're going through, I'm here to make the complex simple during these difficult times. So, do you need guidance navigating the probate challenges? Contact me for a consultation or referral to an experienced estate or probate attorney in your area. Also, check for a link to this transcript in the description below. Now, do me a favor. Drop a comment below if this was helpful and subscribe for more probate guidance that actually makes sense. Remember, you don't have to navigate this alone. There are people who understand exactly what you're going through. By the way, check out my website, stlouisfamilyresources.com, for tons of additional helpful information. Thanks and take care.